Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay. Let's do some makeup. The primer I'm going to use is from Amazon. It's a grip primer, that type of texture primer. I will use this brush to kind of apply them all over my skin because I've applied hand cream, so I don't want to start having breakout. The foundation I'm going to use from Revolution. This foundation is just £5, called Real Love Revolution. The shade is the same shade as for the SS Revolution, also the Conceal and Define. I actually went to Superdrug to pick this up during last summer. So I will start blending. It's a full coverage foundation. It's not as matte as SS Revolution, but it's beautiful. It gives you that velvet finishing, I would say. I will use the SS Revolution for my under eye. It's a full coverage concealer, which I love. A little goes a long way with this concealer. Yes, I will start blending my under eye and every area I have highlighted. Yes, it's absolutely gorgeous. I just bought another one for a backup, that concealer, so I'm running low. So I will blend between foundation and concealer. Then I will go ahead and use this Too Faced foundation, slightly dark for me. I'll use this to do my kind of cream contour, use it for contouring. Then I will contour my forehead, then blend upward to make sure everything is blended. I will do my nose contour. After the nose contour, then I will tidy up my under eye again. This is what we do, when you are doing all this a minute 40-second video, you can't really explain much. I don't know how people learn how to do makeup on that 45-second on Reels and TikTok. I don't know. This is setting powder from my old brand in shade Biscuits. I will use shade Biscuit to set my under eye. Since the launch of this setting powder, you have not seen me with any other setting powder. I don't see any other setting powder better than mine on the market. The result is right here. My makeup do look better in person than camera. I'm not even joking. So yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I will make sure I set every area I have highlighted. I will do a reverse contour. Then after that, I will get a shade, different shade, which is Nutmeg. I will use a brush to dab and make sure I just continue dabbing. As you can see, I'm still dabbing. Make sure everything blend together, even my neck. Under my chin, I do apply foundation there. We also set that part as well. So I will go ahead and use the Queen India highlighter in shade Angel. This is also from my old brand, Mighty Beauty J. So we have 5 different shades in stock. This shade is quite universal. Light skin girls can use it, dark skin girl can use it. I don't know, my skin color girls can use it and beyond. I will use a tiny little brush to do my nose because I don't want too much highlighter on my nose today. Okay, after this, I will go ahead and spray with Barry M setting spray. Then I will let it dry and come back. Here is my base. Absolutely stunning. I'm happy with it. So let's do some eye makeup now, guys. I'm using Revolution Eye Base. This is again a very inexpensive. I will be using the Beauty Bay Midnight palette, I believe. Yeah, Midnight palette. Start with the blue shade, then I will use a pastel blue, you know, to blend everything. Then I will go back and dip in that blue shade I started with, because I will be cutting my crease on this video. Then I'll make sure I blend. I want to dip in my inner corner, so I mix black shade and blue shade together. I just want the eye look to have some definition. Then I'll go ahead and cut my crease. I'm using again that same eye base I used for the base. I'm going to use it to cut my crease. So as you all know, 2016 makeup is coming back this year, so cut crease is gonna be a common this year. Eyeliner and stuff like that with a little bit of twist. So that's what we are going to do this year. 2016 makeup basically coming back this year, where you see bold eye makeup, cut crease and stuff like that, and that's what we live for. A long video like this, whether it's voiceover or you just talk as you go, will be common this year, so watch out. I don't know how people learn how to do makeup on 45-second video, a minute video. If you really want to learn how to do makeup, come back to YouTube. That's my advice to young ones. So this is also from my own brand, Mighty Beauty Makeup with Time Beauty. This is eyeliner in shade Strawberry. I will use this shade to do eyeliner. We do eyeliner anyway. So this is the twist I was telling you about. Said cut crease and a bit of twist is gonna be very common this year. Then I will go ahead and do my under eye. Use Barry M eyeliner. Then I will use that same shade, that dark blue shade, to blend under eye. Then diffuse it just a tiny little bit. Then I'll go ahead and apply lashes again from my own brand. This is style MIT2. It's inexpensive and it's vegan version. So here's the lashes. She's beautiful. Here's the eye makeup. I love it. Then I'll go ahead and do my lippy. Yay! This is new product that is coming to our website. I have not launched them yet. I am sick. I got this virus, flu, whatever you call it, so I have not launched them yet, but it's about time we just start putting them into practice before the launch. Possibly I will launch it this end of this month. And here is shade Rush. This is liquid lipstick. She's stunning. She's red. Absolutely stunning shade. Look at my reaction there. Not gonna lie at all. I hope to launch it soon. Just want to get better and launch it, you know, as soon as possible. Here we go. Liquid lipstick, so comfortable on your lip. The formula is beautiful. It doesn't like stick or dry you down. This is another one. 3 products we are launching this month. They are all lip products. This is the shade is drippy and is a lip oil. I like the Dofa application. She's fat. She's beautiful. Oh, and it got some scent to it. This actually smells like the scent is strawberry scent. So beautiful. Yeah, I have just 3 shades of this. So these are the 3 products I used today. I absolutely love from my old brand that is coming up. This is the new product. I love the lippy. I love it. So yes, absolutely stunning, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you